How to hide your about from specific contacts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your about from specific contacts on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top corner, and then click settings, and here you will find this one here, account, and now click here privacy, and then about click about, and then just click my contacts, accept, and select them. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.